Alrighty, folks, I'm going to take a few minutes here to cover the content that was covered in the Google Hangouts on Monday that everyone was supposed to attend. So thank you to those that did attend the meeting. For those that didn't, this information hopefully will serve you well. So we're looking at the information that needs to go on our Google Sites. So if we go to Classes, our STEM 8 page, and I'm going to pull up the directions that has all the information for our Google site and the different pieces that need to be put onto our site. So if I open up the directions and I go to the bottom, it has Google Site. Okay, so it has 4 bullet points here, main bullet points of information that need to be put onto our site. So what I've done on my site is created a new tab, Engineering Design. And this kind of gives you a preview almost of what your site should look like. You're just going to want to make sure that you have obviously the detailed information on your site. Okay, and so the way that I added that new tab, okay, engineering design there, went to pages, and underneath STEM 8, I can click there, click add subpage, and that'll make it so that it has the little drop down menu. Okay, so all of these are my main tabs, and then STEM 8 has a subpage. Okay, so if I go back to classes, you can see that STEM 8 has that drop-down menu. That brings me to the engineering design page. Okay, how do I get these boxes on here? Okay, so let's say I need to add that on there. I'm gonna go to Insert, Text Box, and there it is. Okay, I'm able to move these things around. Right, that's drag and drop. It's pretty simple for the most part. It works a lot like the way Google Slides does, which most of us are familiar with. Okay, we could also do layouts. So say I wanted to do this as background information, have that information placed there, which if we look in the directions, that needs to be 2 paragraphs. What is the problem you're trying to address? What type of solutions has already been tried, and how did those influence your design? Okay, so thinking about what our research process would have looked like, we should already have a paragraph on our Google Sites because that was part of week 1 and week 2. But again, so placing that in there, right? Graphics are always nice too, so I can search select image. So maybe Google image search. So maybe I'm looking for clean water because that's what my project is going to be on. Insert. Come on, buddy. Well, I'm having some troubles inserting the image here. There we go. Cool. Okay, so we can add our images, but really your main focus should be the 4 bullet points that we can see in the directions. Okay, feel free to play around with these different options. Okay, maybe you want to add a YouTube video about your problem. You can create some different layouts here. Images. You're going to need at least a couple images with the screenshots of your prototype, and then answering the different questions and filling the different prompts in. So if you have any questions on that, make sure you're sending me an email, and hopefully you're good to go for the week. We'll talk to you later.